Welcome to VybeSchool. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can access the VybeSchool's LMS platform. So you'll be getting this link. You can just copy paste it in your browser, and now you can see the VybeSchool's LMS platform. So now just scroll down. You can see AI Engineering Bootcamp, build AI agents, RAG systems, real world applications. So you can just click on this view details. So this is where you're going to get the whole recordings if you miss any class. So you can check out the course description here. These are the things we are going to learn. Got it? So whenever you miss any session, live session, so you can just come to this link and you can log in and you can get the recordings. So first of all, let's try to log in. So this is my mobile number. You can just click next and it will be asking login with password. So you can keep any password or else you can log in with OTP. So now you have created an unsuccessful account, but now you have to buy this. So we can't keep it zero. So you have to pay at least ₹1. It's a small amount, 0.01 cent. So you can just head over to this and you'll be getting an QR and you can pay here ₹1 and you'll be getting the whole course and the content will be getting here itself. So yes, you can see here now, right? So after the class, the live class, so you want to see recordings. So after making your account, you can click on view details and you can come to content and you can see here the recordings will be coming here itself, in the content itself. So you can just click on watch and you can complete the recordings from here. So you can watch the recordings from here. So hope everyone got a clear idea. So if you are facing any issue, please contact to this number or as the admins from the group, and please make sure you create your account by 21st evening 6 o'clock. Thank you all.